Welcome to the Biometrics program, module on systemic change management. One of my most favorite quotes is that by Eckhoff, which says that ideal design reveals that the principal obstruction between us and the future we want is ourselves. I feel that this is a profound challenge to change managers who need to make the stakeholders of the intervention they facilitate aware that they need to change their thinking about the future. And the module 4 is going to outline a lot of those facilitation issues that are associated with that. The context of this module is it explains the theory of how systems change and how change should be managed systemically. It gives methods for managing the different phases of change interventions, from the inception to the design to the implementation planning and eventually the implementation of the design. This module discusses how we can facilitate these various phases and also how we prepare for the intervention and how we can facilitate its implementation and what the various considerations around this are.
Continuity of case study. Please continue your case study from the previous modules. In Module 3, you created an ideal design. In Module 4, you made an implementation plan. And in this module, you will make a change management design. In other words, how to manage the different phases of the change process. The content of the module is the following. In the background section, we talk generally about change management, what the purpose of it is, what types of change there are, and what the success of change interventions typically are. Part 1 deals with principles of system change, namely how systems change, how change flows through a system and how it flows between systems, and also how systems grow and develop. We also discuss the difference in concept between development and growth. Part 2 deals with phases of managing change in a system. We have discussed these phases or steps already in Module 2, but in this module we are going to discuss how each step can be managed so that it achieves its desirable outcomes. Part 3 deals with methods and tools for systemic change. The generic method already being discussed in Module 2. The different tools are derived from systems concepts that were discussed in Module 1. Here we show the relevance of these concepts in dealing with changing a system. Part 4 discusses the facilitation of system change. It deals with the role of self-reflection and learning in facilitating change, and also the importance of ethos of change management. We are introducing a typology and show its relevance to facilitating